Design Thinking Case Studies. Let us see how design thinking can be used to transform the public taxi transport industry. We will explore the design thinking processes through these 4 stages. In stage 1, the what is stage, we identify the problems and pain points of the key stakeholders involved. In stage 2, the what if stage, we brainstorm ideas to solve the persona's problems. In stage 3, the what wow stage, we evaluate each idea based on a set of selection criteria to select the best ideas that will wow the selected persona. At this stage, we will design possible services, processes, and activities. In stage 4, the what works stage, we critically analyze each idea, seeking to balance between business profitability, technological feasibility, and customer delight. Let us take a typical passenger, persona Amanda. Amanda is a busy sales executive. She has to rush between several meetings in several customers' sites every day. We will mentally walk a day in her life to identify her pain points and problems pertaining to the whole cycle of using a taxi service. Her pain points are that: number 1, she has no idea if there are any taxis nearby. Thus, she cannot decide if she should walk to the nearby bus stop or MRT station instead of waiting for the unpredictable taxi to arrive. Number 2, she also has no idea if she will be late for her next meeting, despite paying more for the ride. And number 3, she does not know how much she will need to pay for her taxi ride. Let us take another stakeholder, persona Bobby, the taxi driver. Bobby's pain points are that: number 1, he does not know where his potential passengers are. Number 2, he does not know if he should drive around Toa Payoh or Ang Mo Kio, or should he simply join the taxi queue in the airports. And number 3, he is wasting a lot of his precious fuel, money, and time by driving around and around unproductively in an empty taxi. Having identified the various personas and understanding their pain points in their lives in stage 1, we can now move on to stage 2, the what if stage. Here, the workshop participants will be taught several powerful brainstorming techniques. We note that taxi services were launched in Singapore in the 1960s. The only technology they used then was a fare meter. That was 60 years ago. Today, lots of newer technologies have emerged. For instance, everybody now has a mobile phone with excellent GPS and Google Maps. There are also e-payment services. Taking into consideration these newer technologies, participants can brainstorm hundreds of ideas to solve these problems for personas Amanda and Bobby. While ideas are plentiful and free in stage 2, in stage 3, the what wow stage, we want to critically narrow down to only the ideas that wow all personas. To do that, we need to define a set of selection criteria from both personas' perspectives. We need to test our key assumptions to ensure that they are valid, and we need to build several prototype versions to select the best prototype. The concept of prototyping early is that if we were to fail, we want to fail quickly and cheaply. In stage 4, the what works stage, we can combine, split, rearrange, add, or delete ideas to seek a balance between business profitability, customer delight, and technological feasibility. This is also a good time to involve and co-create certain features together with your personas and to gather feedback for improvement. A learning launch is also a technique that we will teach. This is to launch your service to a small selected crowd for the purpose of learning to fine-tune and improve your service. At the end of the design thinking journey, great businesses like Grab and Gojek that transformed the taxi industry have emerged. Passengers are now effectively and efficiently connected to their drivers, and the pain points of both personas have been eliminated. Havelock's Innovations Design Thinking Workshop has helped many businesses design, innovate, and grow their profits. Attend our Design Thinking Workshop as a team so that you can design and innovate together to grow your profits. For any inquiries, please email enquiries@everversty.com or call our hotline at 6648-4439. Our website is at www.everversty.com. Thank you.